The Air Jordan 1 Low brings the iconic spirit of the 1985 original into a clean, easy-to-wear low-cut design perfect for everyday style. This pair comes in soft, understated tones, but the rich textures and layered shadows give the sneaker a premium look that stands out without being loud. Its mix of matte and subtly reflective leather creates depth from the toe box to the side panels, delivering that quality feel sneaker fans love. Off-white laces add a gentle contrast, while the carefully detailed stitching around the collar enhances the shoe's refined shape. The classic Wings logo on the heel brings a nostalgic touch, engraved sharply against the pale leather. Underneath, the muted brown outsole offers durability and grip while keeping the overall aesthetic balanced and versatile. Blending streetwear vibes with everyday comfort, the Air Jordan 1 Low offers a calm, polished presence that elevates your step and completes any outfit with effortless style.